Fireworks are a big part of summer, especially for the month of July, my birthday month. But how do fireworks actually work? It has to do with how they are made and how it reacts to fire. Now, watch this video here where we talk about what fire actually is and why only some things seem to burn. Today, we'll be talking about changing the fire's colors. The color of fireworks has to do with the chemicals that are placed inside. And these chemicals burn different colors for two main reasons. One, how it reacts to oxygen, and the temperature of their fire. Let's start simple and talk about bonfires. Most things, like wood, are made of hydrogen and carbon. And in a normal environment, like the outside air, you may see a couple different colors, but you'll mostly see this yellowish orange and blue. The hottest part of almost any fire is going to be closest to the fuel. And in this case, the fuel is our firewood. Now this bottom part of the fire is at 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. And we thought these 85-degree days were hot. Whew. So this 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit typically corresponds to blue. The more distant parts of the fire is only about 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Only. Now this 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit typically corresponds to that yellowish orange. Now you can change the color of your fires using these chemicals. And scientists actually use this fire color technique to test for chemicals that they may not know. Now I actually had a really hard time with this. You cannot make fire do whatever you want it to do. But a very easy and very cool trick is to just get these magical flames. You can find them for very cheap on Amazon, and I want you to do it so bad that I will even mail you one if you message me your mailing address. So here are just a few of my attempts. We have calcium, flour, and rubbing alcohol. Now fireworks have string attached to it, and you light it, it gives you enough time to back away to a safe distance. But this flame travels down the string and ignites the first batch of gunpowder, so it shoots into the sky like a bullet. Now once it's in the air, it ignites a second batch of gunpowder and it explodes in a big bang. The different colors are created by the chemicals that are placed inside. And for the sparkles, that is either sugar, flour, or some fine powdery substance. Now for the shapes, someone actually places the chemicals on a cardboard into the shape they want and then carefully places it into the firework. It sounds simple, but it cannot be easy. Fireworks work because chemicals burn different colors. What's your favorite firework? Let us know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!